There are several ways to move your field inventory into one big screen. You can add displays one by one manually, import them from a spreadsheet, or even import them using photos. We cover both import options in separate knowledge base videos, but in this video, we'll focus on adding displays manually. So, let's assume you already have your service site and your service created. Click on the shortcut to the display list of that service, and you'll be taken straight to its displays. Right now, it's empty, but let's change that. To add a display, click Add Display. A new empty line will appear where you can name your display and fill in its details. Once you're done, hit the checkmark icon to save it. Want to add a picture? Just click on the image placeholder. You'll be able to upload a photo, crop it for the thumbnail, and save. This way, your team can quickly recognize the display in the field. Now let's add planters and plants. Use the plus icon next to the display name to add a planter, then the plus icon next to the planter to add plants. You can even move plants between planters if needed. Some companies prefer to record only the plants, mainly for replacement tracking, and skip the planter step. That's possible too. Just add a plant directly to the display. The system will automatically create placeholder planters, which you can hide with the checkbox at the top if you don't want to see them. Alright, our first display is ready. Let's add another one. When you click Add Display again, the new line will appear at the top of the list. Once saved, it will move down to the bottom. Why? Because most users add displays in alphabetical order or in the order they plan to work with them. Keep this in mind if you're adding a display to an already long list, so you don't lose every new display you create. Once you've built your list, you can also rearrange the displays into what we call the walking order. This means you can set them up in the same order your team would naturally service them on site. To do this, click the Edit Walking Order icon, drag and drop the displays into the right sequence, and then save. Editing is simple too. Just click on the line of the display, planter, or plant you want to adjust, and the edit form will open. Done with edits? Hit the checkmark, and the edits will be saved. For larger lists, you can expand to see all planters and plants at once or collapse them to keep things tidy. And remember, if you don't track planters, you can hide them altogether. Finally, the filters at the top help you quickly search or narrow down displays by their parameters, planters, plants, or location. With this structure in place, adding and managing your inventory becomes much more straightforward. It keeps your data clean, makes it easier for your team to find what they need, and ensures that your portfolio stays accurate and up to date as your business grows.